In front of me is iPhone 16i, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos app and tapping on one of your albums. Then hit Select at the top right corner and tap on Select All at the top left one. Now to keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!